A few years back, I made a bracelet for me, for my personal use. It's made of big size pearl, white pearls. And because I made already a few bracelets that are made of a little bit smaller sizes of pearl. So I decided to break it down and made a few pair of earrings out of it because I always wanted to make oversized pearl and to make drop earrings out of it. And this is the first one I'm going to show you. So it's made of two big pearl in each ear, and then I use golden colored materials to assemble it. And I find it nice because when you have to go in a kind of occasion or just going out or having dinner with friends or relatives, you only can use this one and you don't need any kind of accessories because it will complete your wardrobe. And here are a little bit simpler, just one big pearl in each ear. And it's also golden color materials that I use. And the third one that I made is this one. I use dangling chain under it. And I think I still have to add another long chain to make it a little bit thicker. First, was thinking to make kind of a tassel because I have a few tassels that are still in stock. But I decided the chain will be better in it. I still find in my box this kind of material for making big earrings. This one is made from a very light material and it is silver in color. But this one is not yet finished because I'm still thinking if that will be the one that I really wanted to place it as a dangler. But I think I'm going to use smaller beads but longer. And I think I'm going to start here almost on the top on both sides. So all the same sizes, but when they're hung as if they're different sizes or length. And I think this one is a funky one. This is a nice one, but it's quite big. So these are the earrings that I made, and I still have a few left over of the big pearls, and I still have to make maybe 2 pair more, and then it's finished.